Hello, we are going to discuss about phosphorus cycle. Phosphorus mainly occurs as phosphate in the soil under undegraded natural conditions. It also occurs in secondary forms as compounds of calcium, iron, and in organisms as organic combination or organic compounds. But phosphorus is absent in the gaseous form or gaseous cycle, it is absent, and in the atmosphere also. So phosphates present in the soil occur in insoluble form. So they are not soluble in the water, but that phosphorus is dissolved by chemicals. Chemicals are secreted by the microorganisms. Here microorganisms secrete some chemicals. With the help of these chemicals, the insoluble phosphate is dissolved, and that dissolved dissolved soluble phosphate is here absorbed by the plant root system. Soluble phosphate present in the soil, so that is absorbed by the plant root system, and within the plant body, so the phosphorus is converted or changed into organic form, organic matter, and that phosphorus is transferred to animals. From plants to animals, that phosphorus is transferred, and animal excretions and animal dead bodies are dead bodies of plants and animals are living organisms, so they are decomposed. After the death, the dead bodies are decomposed and phosphorus is uh, released. So phosphorus is released into the soil. So that released phosphorus, it is again reutilized by the plants. So from the dead bodies, the phosphorus is released, and that is mixed with the soil, and from the soil again the phosphorus is absorbed by the plants, that is reutilized. Inside soil some phosphorus is lost. Inside the soil also some phosphorus is lost through leaching process. With the help, along with the water, the phosphorus, some amount of phosphorus is percolated into the deep layers of the soil, and here major amount of phosphorus combines with the calcium, iron, and aluminum and becomes insoluble in the soil. It becomes insoluble. Calcium, with the help of calcium, iron, and aluminum, so the phosphorus combines and becoming insoluble, and it is insoluble phosphorus is not available to, not absorbed by the plants, or not available to the plants. So that type of insoluble phosphorus settling down at the lakes, bottom of lakes or oceans or water bodies. So that is along with water that is run away, and in the rivers or water bodies that is settling down as sediments. So in animals also, your bones and teeth also undegraded, so they are not degraded easily. So that type of phosphorus, becoming as a part of soil or lithosphere. So the undegraded phosphorus, which is present in the bones and teeth, so that phosphorus is here becoming a part of lithosphere. So it is released after a long time when the rocks um, when the rocks are weathered. So they are from the by the weathering process. So the phosphorus is released from the bones and teeth. So here it is one sedimentary cycle. So here the phosphorus cycle is one sedimentary cycle. It is related to minerals. So here reservoir pools are rocks. So rocks only containing the phosphorus, but here that is not in the soluble form, and most of the contents remain in reservoir pool. So in the reservoir pool means in the soil, in the as rock form only, most of the phosphorus is present in the reservoir pool only, and very slowly it is entering to the cycle, means into the soil again, plants to animals. So So slowly it is entering. So it is generally less perfect system, less perfect system. Why? Because it is taking more time. Most of the time, um, it is taking most of the time. So, and major amount of phosphorus is locked in reservoir pool only. So, as rock only they are present. So that's why here it is not present in the gaseous form, or in the atmosphere it is absent, and here it is absorbed uh, here in the rock form mainly. So it is a sedimentary cycle. So that is about phosphorus cycle.